Hi there, Sam Musgrave here, founder and CEO of Nine Advisory. Do you run a service-based business that feels like every day is Groundhog Day? You've thrown everything at it and you're running fast just to stand still. You're trading time for money. And if you don't work, you don't get paid. We're running a 4-hour roadmap to scale, intensive workshop to guide business owners through the 7 key elements of scaling your service business. Now, how do we know this works? Because these are the same tools that we've used to build a 7-figure consulting business from the ground up in just 18 months. Now, before you go ahead and opt in, I need to tell you that this workshop is not for everyone. That's right, if you're looking for a silver bullet, a done-for-you solution to scaling up your business, I'm sorry, but this won't help you. Having worked with small businesses for over 15 years, the one thing that I do know is that people who are not invested and are not coachable should definitely not join our workshops. The good news for those who are ready to take action is that we want to open up the vault. We want to share everything that we've tried and tested in our own business and with our clients. We've seen the mistakes so that you don't have to make them, and we guarantee that our system works. Our structured program will jumpstart your business whilst providing the framework to protect your asset right through the growth phase. You'll walk away with a fully documented strategic plan with actionable next steps that are customised for your business. So if you're serious about taking the next step in your business or finally taking action about getting out of your Groundhog Day, book a workshop close to you. Now, we're not doing any more workshops than what's on the schedule. So make sure you get in, because once those spots are gone, that's it. I can't wait to get working on it with you and to see if we can get you and your business to take off.